Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In today's lesson, I will teach you on how we configure RAID file in our Windows Server. In the last session, I already teach you how to configure RAID 1 and what is RAID. So for RAID file, the minimum hard disk that we require is at least 3. In that file, we also have RAID file parity and also RAID file plus 0. So in this lesson, I will teach you how to configure RAID file parity. So as you see here, we have 3 hard disks and each hard disk contains 1 terabyte. In the purpose of RAID file, if we configure it, the capacity that we get only 2 terabyte, and while one is for fault tolerance or one for spare. Let's say if hard disk 2 has problem, it will be replaced by hard disk 3. But for RAID file, if you configure 3 hard disks like that, if 2 fail, okay, for example, this hard disk fail, this one fail, this 2 fail, so your data are gone. So here is the scenario for RAID file. But if you have 4 hard disks, if 2 fail, we still have another 2 to replace. Okay, so we go together how to configure RAID file. Okay, let's say here is my server, Windows Server, and here is my server doesn't have the driver for share yet. So I go to computer management. Okay, I go to this management, and then you will see everyone. You will see I have this one, this two, and this three. So this one I add, and I go to GPT. Okay, and this one is unknown. You can click it online. Okay, and then initialize this three. Okay, JPG. Okay, now all these are online. As you see here, all this one, this two, this three are online. So you just right click on the any volume, this one or this three, and then you click RAID file, click next, and then we click add to this come, click next. Say in this testing, I put each disk only 5 GB for testing, and then I will put try next, and then I will put here like data. Okay, just put data, finish. Yes. It's talking about what I configure is RAID file parity. That means that this one will check the loss, like if one hard disk fail, for example, if one hard disk fail, they will check the data in that hard disk, and then it's copy data from the fail hard disk to another hard disk. That is called parity. While strip refer to the combination of all hard disks together. For example, if you have 2 hard disks, so it's and each hard disk contain 10 terabyte, and then it will be combined together. uh, 10 plus 10 is 20 terabyte, right? So that is called strip. Now it's formatting. Let it finish for formatting. Okay. Okay, now I go faster. It's almost 90%. And anyway, I will also uh, tell you about this one. If you configure like a red file, you already see two we have like three hard disks, okay, and each hard disk has size of it is 1 TB, so the capacity is 2. What if I put hard disk 4? Okay, calculate. Okay, so it will be have like 3 hard disks for the capacity 3 TB, okay, and it have one for drive failure. We have put 5. Okay, so for the red file parity, the default range is 1. Okay, and for another mirror, you can go to see more. What if I put red file E? If I have 4 hard disks, for example, okay, this just is important. If you want to be more clear, you can go on this for your calculations. Okay, now let's go to see. Yeah, it's almost finished. Yes, so now all of this is driving to resin. Okay, let's see. And you also see the status here. This color mean rating, the rating. Okay, we'll go faster on this one as well. So now it's almost 90%. Everyone, you can also see here, you see, this one, data the status of it, you see, it's red. Okay, it's red 5. You can also see here. You can also see here. And now the hard disk, after we do the red file, it's so healthy. Okay, now I go to create the data. Okay, let me go to create. Okay, data. You see the data it have, we can say this one is 10 GB. We have 3 hard disks and each hard disk have 5 GB, and after we do the red file, the total hard disk is 10 GB, because that in the purpose of red file, it's combine 2 hard disks together and it's pair one for fault tolerance. Okay, now I'm going to create the server one. Okay, and then I copy. Okay, now you see our hard disk is working. Let's say if I remove one hard disk out. Now I like remove this one, delete the word, delete it, or I make it offline. Okay, okay, offline. Okay, offline. You see, even though one hard disk is offline, it still be can access the data. But you see the status, it show the status fail redundancy. So let's say that this one is offline because of destroy. So we can bring it offline. For example, we replace another new hard disk that we bought from the shop. Okay, we can make it online. Okay, and then we have to repair it. You can repair or reactivate volume. Okay, if it fails, we can repair. Okay, if we reactivate, so all of this hard disk is going to be receiving back. Okay, so that's all for the lesson, everyone. See you in the next video. I hope that you find this video useful.